Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize and fine-tune the audio that is generated when using Google Flow. So you've probably seen a few AI videos already with people narrating them, and most of them are done using the VO3 model. As you can see, I have VO3 selected here. VO3 is that VO2 doesn't really have any audio capabilities, while VO3 can do a lot to manage and mix your audio. So for example, I have a frame here, and let's say I want to add this to the prompt. I want to animate this. So I'm going to give it a prompt, something like this, so that it matches. I wasn't able to quite something like this. I wasn't able to quite fix the audio here, so I'm going to redo it here. So what I'm going to do is I want you to animate this. There should be no background noise from wind, and I want the person to place their foot on the summit before the camera zooms out into drone view. Smoothly zooms out. I'll leave it at that. There should be no background noise from the wind, and I want the person to place their foot on the summit before the camera smoothly zooms out. I also want the person in the video to face the camera and then say the lines, "I'm glad I made it this far." Say the words. There we go. So I pretty much described what I want to see from the video, as well as describe the audio that I would like attached to the video. So the video that I have generated here had some background noise added to it because Gemini was able to detect that this is this is the top of a mountain. So it added some background noise, which is a lot of wind. And I want to remove that, make it clean, and I want to make it so that the person is the only thing that is able to be heard in the video. So let me double check the prompt real quick. There should be no background noise from the wind, and I want the person to place their foot on the summit before the camera smoothly zooms out. I also want the person in the video to face the camera and then say the words, "I'm glad I made it this far," right before the zoom out occurs. So I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt. I'm gonna go ahead and press enter to send it, and I'll be back in a little bit. Although I did notice I accidentally generated it in a different orientation, but I should be fine. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and I'll be back. So it's finished generating, and let's go ahead and give it a quick watch. Let's start with this video here.
Get this far. I'm glad I made it this far.
There we go. So that's really good. It's almost exactly what I wanted to see. And the audio is really clean and really seamless. It's really natural. How about this other one right here?
I'm glad I made it this far.
So the audio here is a little more robotic. I heard a little bit of, not really static, but it sounded more robotic a little bit with one part, and the zoom out wasn't exactly what I described. Makes sense though, and that's pretty much why usually two videos are generated with a singular prompt. That way you get to choose which one best fits the idea you imagine. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this extra video by mousing over, and I'm going to download this one. To download it, all I have to do is click on this download button at the top right, and I'm going to download it in the originals in the 720p resolution. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.